In today's video, I would like to show you a concept that I came up with that is kind of added to the luxury of my turning experience. And what I mean is, so the dust collection arm that you see there, previously I had a stand that sat behind the lathe and that would hold the dust hose. And with this arm, when it comes time to clean up or I don't need it, I just swing it over to the wall and it's just not in the way at all. So with the stand that I used previously, anytime I wanted to adjust its position or pull it out of there for cleaning up, it was kind of heavy, so there was a level of annoyance there. And then when I was rough turning bowls, since you don't need dust collection with turning wet wood, it would sit someplace else in the shop and inevitably it would get in the way. And this dust arm here has just really eliminated all of those issues. So this is an overview of the whole thing. This being the dust arm there. So the dust arm is what I was just showing you. It's a two-piece arm. It's just basically pivoting here, and then there's another pivot point there. When you need this out of your way, you can just simply push it back, or if you're done with it altogether, you can drop the hose and fold it out over there. And I find it super handy when you're working and you need to flip a bowl around. You don't want it that close because you want to dent your bowl. Push it back a little bit as far as you want. Super easy, very little effort there, and nice close dust collection. This up here is just a camera device meant for holding cameras. All of these slide up and down this pipe that you see here. For now, they're just set screws. I hope to improve that. So my point of the video is, one, I hope to hear from people in the comments. Do you want, or is there interest in seeing a video on how to fabricate this, which would involve welding? Now, as a heads up, I've already made a video on how to make a no weld version. I would say maybe not quite as good, but it ultimately achieves the same thing. I will include a link to that in the description. Two is there interest out there in purchasing something like this? Now, it would be an improved version. I have a friend who is a steel fabricator, and I would consult with him on how to make a improved version of this. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on the various components so you can see exactly how things are made. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is the light arm itself. So pivot points here, there, and of course the light, and then this goes up and down. This light here is just basically a cheap, it's one of these work lights. That's the fixture I'm using. And these are GoPro pieces here that are holding it in place. This is a super bright light bulb. I like lots of light. And then this is just, it's probably I don't even think it's 3/4 inch pipe, 5/8, doesn't matter. Outside dimension about 13/16, so it's probably 1/2 inch pipe. So 1/2 inch pipe welded perpendicular on the ends to create a hinge. That's just a bolt. I don't want to zoom in too much to what I'm holding on, or how I have it clamped on there. I'm not happy with it. I'll go ahead and zoom in up at the top. So this is the bracket that mounts the whole thing to the pipe, and it's just held on there with a set screw. This is the correct wrench for loosening it, tightening it, and you can actually just loosen that up and it will hold its posture even though it's not tightened down, just from the racking of this piece. So the arm that I have holding the dust collector arm is bigger. Well, it's taller. And then I have 2 set screws, probably overkill. And then this is 3/4 inch pipe, which is about 1 1/8 inches in diameter, 1 1/16 inches, somewhere in there. Not exact. And then the construction is basically made the same. But I just made the whole thing there a little beefier, since that's holding up the dust collector arm, which is a little heavier. For all those interested in the camera mount, that's there. And that gives me a pretty good swing of where I can get my camera even overhead. There's the dust collector arm. So you can see here, here's the range of motion with the arm, the light arm when you want it out of the way. I mean, you can even fold it way out of here if you really need it out of the way. And as you see, I didn't retighten that. So to show that it will in fact hold its position there, that the adjustable clamp on the pipe, it's just basically it's racking on the pipe and it won't allow it to slide easily. So something I would like to improve a little bit is this. I have some ideas, but it's to be determined there. So when you're not using this, you can fold it like this. And again, this can fold completely out of the way over here. And there you see all of the arms pretty much folded entirely out of the way. And you can see there, it's mounted top. That's the bottom there. To do over again, I would probably make that just a little wider. Again, please make comments in the comment section and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to catch you on the next one.